Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in, scroll through your chat list to find the individual or group chat where you want to disable disappearing messages. When you find the chat, tap on it to open the conversation. In the chat, you'll see a message indicating that disappearing messages are enabled. You may also notice a disappearing message icon next to the profile picture at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the name of the person or the group name at the top to open the chat settings. Next, scroll down until you see the disappearing messages option. Tap on it and you'll see a few options. Select Off to turn off disappearing messages for that chat. It's that simple. By following these steps, you can easily disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.